So here, any WordPress website, how we can activate for the WhatsApp live chat button option. Now I can go to the procedure here, which plugin is better. You can use it for WhatsApp live chat purpose. In this one, we have to go for plugin option. In the plugin, we have to add the new plugin. In this plugin name here, particular chat box will be there. Is a what's me chart. In the particular chart, we can use the particular using purpose, or else simple we can go for here. Any feature we can selecting for in this option. In this, we are all features will be there here. This compass will be there. So you can click for activate. Is a name is called WhatsApp Me. WhatsApp Me. So here, where you can install here and check by in this option here. Click for settings. In this, add your phone number where you can left or right option and select your images. They're showing a lot of images here. Our default image will be here. Need help. So button delay for how many seconds here. How many help is not required. Just I'm clicking for hi. So just you can click for save changes. After that you can refresh. We can give this button will be left side or right side. For now give button will be right side option or left side option. Now I'm giving only for left side option here. So this button give the left side for the particular thing. Here, what are the future we can give this option? We can give by WhatsApp button will be here. The people will be chat to customer in the click for the button option. This is a move to we can chat the customer will be the particular things. So here, what are the changes required? You can go with every changes will be here. How much delay will be? Delay will be 2 seconds. Refresh. Same option. Open for incognito window. In this all will be showing the particular message option will be here in this particular WhatsApp button and in these options. So once will be click here, they show your WhatsApp option will be there. So this is called we can activate for the WhatsApp chat button to the particular WordPress users purpose. So here finally the chat box will be showing will be in this option. So in this one, what are the general settings are there in the particular settings and your particular visibility features also you can setting in the particular option will be mandatory field. If you go for selected for restore default setting also click for save changes. So here refresh. What are the changes you want? You can change your options are there. Particular messenger will be chat purpose in WhatsApp purpose. These are the toolbar. The plugin will be used the particular WordPress website purpose for the chat. Or else we can using for number of plugins are there. So how we can choose that plugins are depend on by the ratings and the particular reviews. You have to check the read thoroughly and selecting for particular option. So yeah, I'm using for my particular option WhatsApp me. You can use any option will be here the particular things. Yeah, people mostly using 82, 80 to 91. So your WhatsApp chat allow for users contacting through WhatsApp chat with the single click. So your option will be here. Just to open it. Before install, you have to delete the features here. Start activate and WhatsApp chat option will be dashboard, FAQs, changing and reviews. These are the compass we can use after we can go for install the plugin. So I'm using for WhatsApp Me plugin. There is a name is changing for Giant chat option. You can change any option will be there. Particular, select the particular WhatsApp chat option to install the particular plugin on the WordPress option.